Hi all, this is video lecture, and today topic we are going to see about it is called as it is introduction to virtual reality. That is genesis of virtual reality. The term virtual reality was initially coined by General Leifer, the founder of VPL Research in 1989. At the time, it was basically used in flight simulation and to train pilots. Normally, virtual reality is a computer system which is used to create an artificial world in which the user has the impression of being in that world and with the ability of navigate to the world and manipulate the objects. It also known as a synthetic environment, a cyberspace, and an artificial reality of simulation technology. The types of virtuality consist of adventure games, window on world system, projected, semi-immersive, and immersive system. The adventure games textually described as a virtual world. Here, the user prescribes a virtual environment to the mental image based on a words like reading a novel. Next, we go on to see window on world. This is a 3D virtual environment graphically displayed on computer monitor known as desktop VR window on world. Next, we are on the projector. It is a 3D environment projector onto the screen enables a single user to demonstrate the concept of group of people. Next, we are going to see about a term called cave. This cave is an automatic virtual environment. A cave involves a concept of room with a graphics projector from behind the walls. The images on the walls are usually stereo to give depth clue. It is easy to several people to be in the room simultaneously and therefore see images together as it mixes real and virtual objects in the same environment. Next is called head-mounted display. This is helmet or face mask that holds virtual and auditory display. Head-mounted display projectors feed real-time images to small screens attached inside a kind of helmet user wears. In the modern day, stereo pictures are standard. Next, we are going to see about pinch gloves. The pinch gloves enables a natural interaction between objects and it handles hand sign to execute actions. It continuously tracks its motions and user lamb and limb according to give signal to the transmitter. Next, we called 3D mouse. This 3D mouse is a two parts, a vertical and horizontal part. Each part has some buttons with a different combination of these buttons. The user can produce a different position in 3D environment. Next, it controls input devices such as keyboard, joystick, a 3D position trackers, glove, guard, body suit, voice recognition system, etc. Some gloves can be also add gestures in recognition. The object is to get coordinated data from input devices to rest of the system. Next is a simulation process. This is a core of virtual reality problem. It handles interactions. A simulation of physical laws determine the world status. It is a discrete process of which is iterated once for each step of our frame. This process finally decides action to be taken place in a virtual world. Next, rendering process. Rendering process creates a sensation which is output data by the user or other network process. There are separate rendering process for the following: for visual rendering, auditory rendering, and haptic rendering. The applications are thus. This is called 3D molecular structure, and this is a shared virtual environment where everyone has shared the same space. Next, features of aspect of hearing impairment and distributed virtual environment, user interface design, teleimmersion, virtual that is VRLM, that is a virtual reality modeling language. Next, when we see these applications, the application consisting of the the application consisting of science, technology, and visualization. This is flight simulation. This is a flight simulation model which enables to work the flight as because our flight has a numerous number of cost ways. We go for flight simulation. Next, it is used for view of complex 3D molecular structure and to create a complex 3D model for financial utilization. It will be very less. Next, we go for medical. In the medical, we conduct surgery and rehabilitation. The surgery, which has been the complicated surgery, can be tested using the VR. Next, rehabilitation for medicine can be done using this VR. Next, we already know that as education and conferences. For education conference, VR has been used. For example, Coca-Cola company has been common with the Cola company has been common with education and conferencing. Next is the business aspect. We have a numerous number of business aspect, which consisting of numerous number of funds for this VR. Next, you have architecture design and product. For example, when we create an architecture for home or a hostel or some buildings, it is VR is very useful, and this prototype is very useful. Next, main the thing is then entertainment field, where the entertainment field the VR has been getting. Yes, this is called as molecular structure. This molecular structure consisting of similar format of thing similar format of thing of which it has been created. If it is created earlier means it will be very very costly and changes cannot be made. Hence, this is an application and this is a shared environment where where three peoples are there. Three peoples will be sharing the same environment which has been VR. Hence, thank you for watching this video.